This is my game, Cooking HCP Student. In this game, you use ingredients to make recipes, and your goal is to discover all of them. On the main screen, we have two buttons. We have the button to play and the button to look at your recipes. If you click on the recipes at the beginning of the game, you can see that it's completely blank. You don't have any recipes discovered yet in your recipe book. So you can click the back arrow to go back and play the game. On the game screen, you have a little bowl as a decoration, and then you have all the ingredients sitting around. When you click these ingredients, they get added to the list, as you can see up here. You can see the ingredients listed. If you click the trash can, you can clear it and reset all the ingredients listed. So you can mess around, click some ingredients, and if you see this little finish button, this means that the ingredients you've used will make a recipe. So you can click the finish button, and there's a recipe. So it says, congrats, and then you made an unknown substance. And then there's a little quote about the thing. So you can click play again. So I'm gonna click around. I don't want that, so I'm gonna clear it. Make something else. Here's raspberry juice. So I don't want to play anymore, so I'm gonna hit the back arrow and go look at my recipes. And I can see the two images for the recipes that I discovered. So I made orange juice and unknown substance. So you can see them here. So if I go back, I can make a couple more. Some mud, electricity, make raspberry pie. So I'll just keep making recipes, and your goal again is to discover all of them. So you want to try and find all the recipes. Okay, so again, if you check back in recipes, you can see here are all the ones I've discovered. And if you find all the recipes, you'll get a message that says, congrats, you found all of the recipes. So yeah, this is my game. I hope you enjoy it.